In today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket. Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's take a look. This is the box that it comes in. It's actually fairly small. I guess the device is small, so I would think that the box, I guess, would also be small. So I'm going to take a look here and open it up. There's basically a slipcase paper over the interior box. So if we can get this, and it just slides out. So immediately, a couple papers pop out. If you can read that, I don't know what that says. And some information about Osmo Shield, which is their warranty, extension, accidental hardware damage, and that sort of thing. So here's the box that it comes in, and as you open it up, here's the Osmo. There's the device itself, and a case with all the information inside the case. This has a little rubbery kind of retaining clip. If you open this up, it's hard to see if this is in focus actually. There's a nice microfiber-ish suede kind of feeling inside here. Kind of a little bit of material to keep scratches from happening on the device itself. So that's kind of nice. Got some candy. Don't eat this. Got the wrist strap. This is a USB to USB-C adapter for charging. And got the got this USB-C adapter for the Osmo to the phone connection. And then we've got the same thing for the lightning connection, as you can see. Okay, so you got your two adapters. Got your charging cord, charging cable, and some documentation, quick start guide. So I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff. So this is the device. I don't know why when I look at this it kind of looks like Wall-E or like one of those sorts of Disney characters. Alright, so this is the device. As you can see, the gimbal's kind of pointed in this direction. I'm going to turn it on and just... That's basically what it does. Since I just opened this, it still has the factory firmware on it, and I need to go ahead and activate and update that. So this was just a quick unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket. I need to activate this and get it hooked up with my phone, and I'll do some more recording and be back later with a more proper and full review. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.